Hello guys, this is Shreyas Mishra. Today we are here for just like a play a game. So she is my partner. What's your name?
Khushbu.
Her name is Khushbu and my name is Shreyas Mishra. So I'm giving her three words and let's what he was trying to. My first word is see harassment.
Harassment?
Yes.
People like girls in India often often feel harassment. Harassment is something which become trauma after some time. This harassment should not be like people often do harassment to girls, and this is very dangerous.
Okay. That's it.
No. This is very dangerous. This in future people often get fear of doing something. This brings disappointments. This bring self doubt and lot of things. If a person is very overthinker, then harassment can affect him or her very badly. And people handle harassment. Different people handle harassment in different way. Some people can handle calmly, and some people get very traumatized just because of this. Yes.
That's it. So my second word is professionals.
Professional.
Not professional, professionals.
Professional. So, in this generation, people should be professional while they are speaking, sitting, or going anywhere. They should know about the civic sense, yes, and how to speak with a person professionally. There are a lot of companies who ask for professionalism. They need professionalism from their employees, and being professional is very important. And you should wear clothes according to environment, and you should be polite, and yeah.
So my third word is what is education?
Education.
Yes.
Okay. Education is very important for everyone. Everybody should be educated, well educated, to build their career. Education should not be optional. It should be something you have to do. It's your duty to do. And some parents don't, like in villages, parents don't allow girls to get educated because they think that girls should not be educated, because spending lot of money on girls education is waste of time. So this kind of mentality come while parents have to educate a girl. So education is something you should treat, like a parent should give equally to both of their child, not less, not less basically. Yeah, that's all.
Okay. Yeah, you can ask.
Learning.
Yeah, it's learning is the process by which we gain the knowledges. Like let's suppose we are taking the educations, we are taking the methods. Education is like a method of the learnings. So what's the inputs we are getting in ourselves to improve our suppose in our professional careers, in our like growth. So learning is the process, learning is the way. So you can't be like skip the learning process. So and lots of the people I have seen even they have educations, but they not gained the process of the learning ki how actually to improve ourselves in the correct way. So learnings tells you ki what you should do, how you should perform, how you should grow. It doesn't matter in the professional careers or in the even you start the learning from your mother when you just landed on the earth. You gain the some beneficial things. So learning is the process.
Okay, so my second word is priority.
Priority, yes. Priority is the things like I'm trying to speak with the help of the example. Suppose we are prioritize the things which is good for me or which is bad for me. So priority is the way to define ki which is ki more beneficial for me, rather than ki you all prioritize the equally or indimensionally. So you should be like ki if I be what we can say that ki we are very selective in terms of their life. So we need to prioritize the things. We need to be very selective persons ki what is good and what is bad. And yeah, that's it for the like priorities.
Growth.
Growth in terms of, let's suppose ki you were talking about the growth. So growth is the like the same the process na ki where let's suppose ki I'll take an examples of the like a growth as we are landed on the earth just like a small child, and after the certain process biologically, externally, physically or mentally, we na ki growth every day, and na ki learning the things. And the second ki growth, if we're talking about in the professional career, so we it's about a 90% of the generations they start their careers from the very beginning, and after a certain period of time they will be just growing like they just get the higher if you're considering the packages in terms of, they are be like growing in the like the higher packages. And the second thing ki in terms of the your physical abilities na ki how you grow yourself, and how you motivate towards them, like that things. And if you're talking about the non-living things also grow na ki just for the for the simple explanations, if you know about the bacteria are grow by dividing the simple. So growth is not a single pattern na ki there is a multiple of the base of the growth na ki even the livings, non-livings, or the like that sort of the things. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you guys.